Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine. Here is our countdown book 2. So students, as we were revising our chapter number 3, that is subtraction, and today we are going to revise our page number 50. Now students, open page number 50. Here is our today's topic, that is review. In this we will review our addition and subtraction sums. Okay students, here are the sums and we are going to complete these sums and converting where it will necessary. Okay students, look students, here are the two signs and you will have to remember these two signs while solving these sums. Okay, this sign is of addition. So students, when we are solving the sums that having this sign, we will use addition purpose in this. Okay, and next, when this sign is in the questions, then we will use the process of subtraction in this. Okay students, now let's try to solve our sums by using and remembering these signs and the process of subtraction and addition. Okay students, look students, here is our first part A, and look at the sign. This is the sign and you already know that this is the sign for the addition. So we are going to add these sums. First of all, we will start addition from the ones column. Now we will add the number 8 and the 3. So students, add the number 8 and the 3. Look students, here I have drawn the 8 flowers. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and we have to add 3 numbers into it. So here, look, I have drawn 3 more flowers here. Okay students, now students, look at all these flowers and we are going to add these flowers. Here I am counting these and these flowers all together: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. How many flowers I have? I have the 11 flowers. So students, I will divide this 11 into ones and tens form. I will write 1 in the ones and 1. This one will be carried to the tens column. Now look students, here I am writing 1 and 1 will be taken as a carry into the tens column. Now I will add these numbers, this and carry: 2, 3 and 4. Here I am writing the 4 in the tens column. Look, we have solved our sum. Next is part B. First of all, look at the sign. The sign is of addition, so we will add these two numbers. We will start addition from the ones column. Here is the number 7 and the number 2, 7, 8 and 9. I will write 9 here in the ones column, as 9 is smaller and there will be no carry into the tens column. When I will add now the tens column, 6 and the 3, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the number is 9 here. Look, we have solved our second part. Next is part C. First of all, we will look at the sign. Sign is of subtraction. So we will do subtraction here. 4 is smaller than the 7. So we can't subtract 7 from the 4. Here I am taking carry from the tens column as we have learned before, lefting with the number 4 here and adding it 14. When I subtracted 7 from the 14, my answer is 7 here. Look, I have written 7 here. And next is the tens column. In the tens column, here we left with the number 4 and there is no number beneath here, so I am writing this 4 just in the tens column. Next is the part D. 2 is smaller than the 5. And here we are doing subtraction again. So I will take 1 carry from the tens column, remaining with the 6 here and making this 2 as 12. Now I am subtracting 5 from the 12 and my answer is, let's subtract it. Look students, here I have the 12 flowers here. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And now I have to subtract number 5 from it. I am subtracting 5 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Look, I have subtracted 5 from this. Now we have the remaining numbers that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So our answer is 7 here. We will write 7 in the ones column. Look at this students. When we subtracted 5 from the number 12, we got our answer, that is 7 here. As we took a carry from the tens column, here lefting the number 6. So now we will subtract 5 from the 6 and our answer is 1 here. Subtraction of 55 from 72 and our answer is 17. Here is our part E and the sign is of addition. So we are going to add these two numbers firstly in the ones column and then in the tens column. Here are the numbers 6 and 4. When we add these two numbers, our answer is 10. How can I write 10 here? Yes, I will write the 0 here and 1 will be taken as a carry into the tens column. Remember, 1 is carry and we are going to add this. It will not come with this 4. Okay. So, here I am adding the numbers 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, here is my answer, that is 7. Next is part F. In the ones column, I will add these two numbers 9 and 9. When I added these two numbers, my answer is 18. And I am writing 8 here and 1 in the tens column. Look students, 4 is in the below and there is no number upward to hit. So I will add this 4 and 1 in the tens column, 4 and 5. So my answer is 5 here. I am writing 5 just beneath in the tens column. We have solved it. Next is part G. First of all, look at the sign. Sign is of addition. So we are going to add from the ones column. 8 and 4. We have added these two numbers before and our answer is 12. Here I am writing 2 here and 1 in the tens column as a carry. Now by the addition of these two numbers and 1 we get our answer 2, 3, 4 and 5. Our answer is 5 and I am writing 5 just beneath in the tens column. Next is our part H. The sign is of subtraction. So we are going to subtract starting from the ones column. Look students, 9 is greater than 7. So we can't subtract it from 7. I will take 1 carry from the tens column, remaining with the 6 here and making this 7 as 17. Now I am going to subtract 9 from the 17 easily. And students, my answer is 8 here. I am writing 8 in the ones column. Next is the run for the tens column. Here we left with the number 6 only. Can I subtract 3 from the 6? Yes, I can easily subtract 3 from the 6 and our answer is 3 here. And I am writing 3 in the tens column. Look, we have solved our subtraction question 2. Students, our next part is I. Look, we will firstly view the sign and that is of subtraction. We are going to subtract it from the ones column. Subtraction of 8 from the 6 is not possible. So we will take 1 carry from the tens column, remaining with the 4 here and making this 6 as 16. So subtraction of 8 from the 16 is possible and our answer is 8 here. Okay students, next lefting with the number 4. When we subtract 2 from the 4, our answer is 2 here. Yes, look, we have solved our next sum of subtraction. Next is part J. Look students, here is the sign of addition and we are going to add these numbers starting from the ones column. When we added the number 8 and 3, our answer is 11. Here I am writing 1 here, and where I will write the other one? Yes, on the head of the tens column. Now I will add the numbers in the tens column, and in the tens column we have the two numbers only, 3 and 1. Our answer is 4. Okay students, next is part K. First of all, look at the sign. Our sign is of subtraction. When I subtracted 7 from the 6, how can I subtract it? By taking carry from the tens column, making our 6 as 5 and this 6 as 16. Now we can easily subtract 7 from the 16 and our answer is 9 here. Next is the turn for the tens column. When I subtracted 1 from the 5, my answer was 4 here. Okay students, next is part L and again the sign of subtraction. Now I will start it from the ones column. Subtraction of 9 from the 1 is not possible. It is possible by taking the carry from the tens column and making our 1 as 11. Now I can subtract 9 from the 11 and my answer is 2 here. Next is subtraction of tens column. Here I am subtracting 3 from the 4 and my answer is very easy. Next is our part M. Firstly look at the sign, that is of addition. So I will write the answer and starting it from the ones column by adding 8 and 5. My answer is, tell me students, 13. And how I will write 13 here? I will write the 3 here and 1 on the top of the tens column. Here I am adding these 3 numbers, 6, 7 and 8. Look, we have solved our sum. Next is part N, that is of subtraction. How can I subtract 8 from the 5? Yes, by taking carry. I will take carry from the tens column and making my 5 as 15. Now I can easily subtract 8 from the 15 and our answer is, look students, our answer is 7 and I am writing 7 here in the ones column. Next is the turn for the tens. 4 minus 8 is possible and our answer is 4. So easy. Next is our last part of today's topic and our sign is of addition. Yes, now we will start addition from the ones column. Addition of 6 and 4 and our answer is 10. Here I am writing 0 here and 1 on the top of the tens column. Now by adding these 3 numbers we get our answer, 7, 8 and 9. Look students, we have solved our today's topic and here is the pic of the students like you. They are playing because they are happy. They have solved their review of the chapter. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.